Alright, gather round, financial adventurers. Picture this, you're a student navigating the maze of academia, armed with dreams as big as your campus and a backpack full of textbooks. Now, in the midst of this academic hustle, let's talk about making a cool $1 million. Sounds like a far-off fantasy, right? Well, grab your imaginary treasure map, because we're about to explore the strategies that turn this dream into a possibility. Number 1. Saving and budgeting. First up, meet Sally. She's a student, surviving on instant noodles and study breaks. But what sets Sally apart is her secret weapon, the art of saving and budgeting. Yep, she decided that managing her money like a pro was the first step on her path to financial awesomeness. Who knew being frugal could be so empowering? Number 2. Education and skill development. Then there's Max, the student who's all about education and skill development. Max realized that the real treasure lies not just in textbooks, but in acquiring valuable skills. By investing in education, Max unlocked a potential goldmine of future opportunities. Number 3. Career growth. Fast forward to Jenna, the career ninja. Jenna's not just acing exams, she's nailing her career growth game. Promotions, salary negotiations, you name it, she's owning it. Because Jenna knows that financial success starts with building a killer career. Number 4. Entrepreneurship. Now, let's talk about Jake, the campus entrepreneur. Jake didn't just wait for $1 million to fall from the sky. He made it rain by diving headfirst into entrepreneurship. Spotting a problem? Jake turned it into an opportunity, launching a business that became the talk of the campus. Number 5. Investing. Meet Olivia, the financial wizard. Olivia learned the art of investing, turning her pocket change into potential fortunes. Sure, there are risks, but with knowledge and a bit of financial magic, Olivia is making her money work for her. Number 6. Online ventures. And who could forget Alex, the online sensation? Leveraging the power of the internet, Alex turned passion into profit with online ventures. Blogging, vlogging, you name it, Alex's online presence isn't just about likes, it's about dollars and cents. Number 7. Networking. Oh, and don't overlook Taylor, the networking guru. Building a strong network became Taylor's superpower. Mentorships, partnerships, Taylor's connections aren't just social, they're a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all map to $1 million success. It's a choose-your-own-adventure novel where hard work, a dash of luck, and informed decisions become your trusty sidekicks. So, whether you're a savvy saver like Sally or a networking extraordinaire like Taylor, the journey to $1 million is an epic tale waiting for you to write the next chapter. Ready to embark on your financial adventure? Let's make those dreams a reality.